Assalamualaikum. Sunshine Storybook. The Aeroplane. Story by Gillian Cutting. Illustration by Jan van de Woo. The Aeroplane. The Aeroplane. Up. U-P. Up. I go up. I go up. Down. D-O-W-N. Down. I go down. I go down. All around. All around. I fly all around. I fly all around. Here. H-E-R-E. Here. I go here. I go here. There. T-H-E-R-E. There. I go there. I go there. I go, go, go. Everywhere. Everywhere. E-V-E-R-Y-W-H-E-R-E. Content words: up, down, all around, here, there, everywhere. High frequency words: I go, I fly. Let's reread The Aeroplane. I go up. I go down. I fly all around. I go here. I go there. I go, go, go everywhere. That's for today. Please make a short reading video. Story: The Aeroplane. Duration must be 30 seconds. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Send me your task through English Telegram group. Assalamualaikum.